Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and thank you for joining me for the Soko Glam May Curation Update. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to the Soko Glam Curation team. They have been so important to this curation process, and if you haven't noticed, Soko Glam has had a ton of great products to hit the site. And so without them helping me discover, really think about logistics and figuring out the ingredients that we truly want to highlight and bring from Korea to the US, this would not be possible. So thank you Curation team for making the Curation update really easy and fun to do. So let's talk about cotton pads. I know that cotton pads are just a tool. They're not something that you're gonna put on your face like a serum or cream, but they're so important to your skincare routine. You really know your skincare junkie when you could talk about cotton pads for 30 minutes with your friend. And that's definitely what I did last time when I curated the Claire's Toner Made cotton pads. Now we have some new ones. This is the White Rabbit cotton pads, and I absolutely love these, and a lot of Korean women love them as well. They're available at so many skincare and beauty shops like Oliveyoung or Shakor. You can find them everywhere, and a lot of my Korean friends have this in their bathroom. I had a chance to finally curate these. These are 100% pure cotton, unbleached. They come in a pack of 200. I love the fact that you could basically unfold them and it could become a complete rectangle that could cover pretty much half of your face. So if you unfold two of these, you could seriously make a sheet mask with your favorite essence. So that's definitely what I can use them for. Also, they're so big, you could actually use one side for your toner. I pat this and I'll use it to wipe my makeup off, and then I use the other side to soak my essence in, and then I will tap this onto my face or use it as a sheet mask. This is just a very versatile way to use one cotton pad for your entire skincare routine, and you won't feel like you're moving around dirty impurities all over your face. That's sometimes how I feel when I use the ones I get from Greenreach. Just like the Claire's toning pads, this does not just soak up all of your essence and just dry out. It can spit it right back into your skin. So I love that aspect. It does not waste any product at all. So these are the Toner Made cotton pads that I was talking to you about. I love these because they give you two different types. One is more for exfoliating and one is more for putting on your essence. But what I like about these White Rabbit cotton pads are that they really are 100% pure cotton, 100% unbleached. I run out of cotton pads so much that it's helpful and useful to just have a huge box of them. And again, very versatile. You could use it as a sheet mask. So next up, let's talk about Skinfood. So Skinfood is a brand that I've loved for years and years and years. It's actually the first brand that I ever started using when I got into K-beauty. So this brand has a special place near and dear to my heart. And we haven't talked about Skinfood in a while, but I was really excited because something came to the site that is new and improved. That's the Skinfood Royal Honey Propolis. This has a little bit of a thicker consistency to it. What I was surprised about was that they reformulated so that the 50% propolis in this upgraded to 63%. And this is a very popular product in Korea. I'm really happy when Korean brands upgrade their formula. They're always constantly improving. They're adding more concentrated ingredients to the formula that benefits all of us. And propolis, by the way, is what you can see in a beehive. It really helps seal the beehive from natural elements like wind and rain, and really helps secure the beehive. I really recommend this product for dry skin types, for anyone that has a compromised barrier, redness, irritation. Honey is a natural humectant, and this has tons of honey in it. Not only does it have propolis as its first ingredient, the second ingredient is honey extract and then royal jelly extract. What I really like about royal jelly is that it's not normal honey. So royal jelly, whenever you see that ingredient in your products, it means that it's been fermented. So royal jelly means it's been fermented for 60 days. And I talked to Skinfood about this. They actually get their honey from beehives in Korea. So that's where they source it. And I just really like to hear the history behind this product, and I just like to know that these ingredients are sourced from a reliable place. And the fact that this has not only honey extract and propolis, it has royal jelly. This makes it a true winner. Next up, we have the brand Banila Co. This is an OG brand. You can find it anywhere in Korea. I love Banila Co because of their oil cleansers. The Clean It Zero line is awesome. I know you guys love it too. It's still one of our best sellers on Soko Glam. They're really known for their makeup, and then they had the cleansing balms, but they've really started to shift a lot of their SKUs are becoming more skincare focused, which I think is really cool. One product that came across my desk was the Banila Dear Hydration Balancing Moisturizer. When I wear a lot of makeup, I tend to reach for this product because it hydrates my skin, has bamboo extract, has lotus flower extract, but it also doesn't pill or doesn't make my skin feel too heavy where my makeup is like drowning in it right afterwards. So if I have like a night out and I really want to be hydrated but have a lot of makeup on top, definitely this is a product that I recommend. If you want a moisturizer that is very lightweight, non-sticky, and will look good under makeup, check this out. So now let's talk about a brand that I curated to Soko Glam in 2017. It's called Klavuu. The Klavuu Cleansing Foam won the 2017 Best of Cute Beauty Award from Soko Glam. And if you go to Myeongdong, they have a massive store right in the center of Myeongdong, so definitely check that out if you're in Seoul. But Klavuu is a really special brand because I love their philosophy of having a lot of ingredients that were originated from the ocean, like algae extract, pearl extracts. Whenever I think of Klavuu, I think of a very luxurious experience. When I decided to curate these next two products, I was really excited because I feel like they stayed true to their brand philosophy. So the first product I want to talk to you about from Klavuu is the Special Care Pro Glow Mask. I've actually featured it in my Instagram recently. The reason why I came to curate this and came to love this product is because it's so pretty. It's very shimmery, it's very iridescent. It does look like it came from a pearl. Well, it does have pearl extracts in it. It has that really Instagrammable vibe, but it's not bad for your skin. And I think that skincare has kind of gone off the rails in some way because skincare is so social now. You think about brands like, no offense, like Glam Glow that has crazy like glitter splashed in the formula and stuff that looks really cool on Instagram, but when you think about it and you look at the ingredients, it's terrible for your skin. It looks cool and then you try taking it off and it's like peeling off a layer of your skin, which is like crazy to me. I was very happy to curate this to show you guys that you can get pretty and it could be good for your skin. So this is formulated with pearl extracts. It has bentonite clay and kaolin clay, which is good for taking away any impurities. So it's still functional, but then it's not gonna strip and dry your skin out, which is what I think people think of when they think of traditional clay masks. Other hero ingredients I want to call out is panthenol, squalane. It's really nourishing, so if you guys try it out, I definitely want to hear your thoughts behind this product. Let me know in the comments down below. And the next product we curated from Klavuu is, ta-da, the Nourishing Carrot Lip Sleeping Pack. This is a really cool sleeping mask. It just simply works and then it smells amazing. I recommend using this at night. So the ingredient lists are pretty special. It has sweet almond oil, it has avocado oil, it's super nourishing. When you wake up in the morning after putting it on overnight, it is just super soft, and I tend to have flaky lips, so this has been a really good experience. It also has a fragrance of vanilla and almond, so kind of has that earthy feel and vibe to it. As I said, I've been on a lookout for a while for a good lip sleeping mask, and this is definitely something that you should try. Now let's talk about hair products. We curated one from British M. This is the British M treatment, and we've been having so many positive reviews about the British M hairline that we cannot help but curate everything they come out with. And we recently curated the British M hair butter, which is basically a treatment as well. It's like a conditioner. This one can be used for every day versus a hair butter. I would really recommend using it once or twice a week. So this treatment is made with 91% natural ingredients, so it definitely has the organic, natural theme going on for the whole British M line. It has no added fragrance. It does have a hint of grapefruit oils and citrus and lime oils. I do smell a little bit of that natural fruity fragrance. If you are really about natural ingredients and not use any harsh ingredients on your scalp or on your hair, then definitely check this one out. So if you made it this far to the end of this video, you're gonna be so happy because I'll be talking about a new baby to hit Soko Glam, and it's called Easydew. And the reason why I left this for last is because I have so much to say about this brand. This brand is super special, and I think you guys all agree because literally after we launched, we sold out on 2 of the 3 products that we carry. and it was such at a record speed. We were so shocked. Actually, a lot of the inspiration of curating EasyDoo was because you guys have given me feedback about wanting more products that target wrinkles, from fine to deep wrinkles. These are the products, and I want to share with you a little bit about what makes it so special. And forgive me because I'm gonna talk a lot. So first of all, EGF stands for epidermal growth factor. And basically, this is a protein that helps with cell proliferation, so it's going to help wound healing, so that's going to help with acne scarring and wrinkles. And this is something that actually your body naturally produces, but around age 29, that's when there's a drop off. And so that means it's harder for your body to actually heal its wounds. So basically what EasyDoo has done is gotten pure medical grade 99.5% EGF into this product. And so what makes it so special is that not anybody can put that kind of pure medical grade EGF into the products. This EasyDoo brand is actually created by a pharmaceutical company in Korea. So they're called Klavuu Pharmaceutical. They're a huge pharmaceutical company that have been around forever. And what they did was create EGF, medical grade pure version of it, and they patented it. So a lot of beauty brands will request this raw material from Klavuu Pharmaceutical. And what they thought was, hey, we've created this amazing pure medical grade EGF, why don't we put it into our own brand? And so they created EasyDoo. And yes, EasyDoo is not this flashy brand that everyone uses, like celebrities, and they pour all their marketing dollars into making this super popular, but they put it in medical clinics. And there's two different types. There's EasyDoo EX, which is only used in medical clinics, and then they have their regular EasyDoo line that consumers purchase, and it has less of the EGF in it. So for me, I was really super excited about this brand and excited about this ingredient in this formula that I wanted to curate the EX, the one that you can only find in the medical clinics. I like that it's highly concentrated. I like that it's results driven. I know that people who are frustrated with wrinkles and acne scars, they want to see results. Although it's a little bit higher price point than what we normally curate to Soko Glam, I thought it was too special to not curate. So I went for the highest grade and I brought this to you guys. I'm really excited for the reviews to come in. It's a little too early for the reviews because we just launched it recently. So first let's talk about the Repair Control Renewal Moisturizer. This has 2 ppm EGF and the consistency is very light. I would consider it very mixed between a gel and a regular emollient cream. When you squeeze it out of the tube, it comes out very white. But then when you just put 1 or 2 strokes on your skin, it literally disappears and it becomes more like a gel. So this is suitable for really all skin types. The next is the Repair Control Active Soothing Serum, and this one is very water-based, and what I would recommend is using it for very oily skin types, to combination skin types, and this can really help with acne scarring and also any wrinkles that you want to address. Next is the Repair Control EGF, and this actually has 10 ppm, which is the highest amount of EGF you could put in a product. And this I recommend for really concentrated spot areas like around your mouth when you have the deep lines there, around the eyes if you have very deep crow's lines or dark circles around the eyes. This I recommend for drier skin types because it is more emollient, it is more thick. I have tried slathering it all over my face, but there's not a lot in it, so you don't want to waste it if you're trying to use it in areas that you really need it. I also was really shocked at the effects of this because when I first created it, I had my doubts about this product and this entire line, but one of my colleagues here at Soko Glam, she actually had a burn on her chin. She was kind of freaking out because she had somewhere to go and she wanted to use something to fix it quickly, and I said, hey, why don't you try this because this is supposed to really be concentrated and really work well in treating your skin and just regenerating it. And so she tried it, and on Monday she told me, what is that thing? Because it seriously helped heal it completely. And we also had other coworkers try these products, and people with really pitted deep acne scars from previous years, a long time ago, and they've seen significant results. And so if you go on the Klavuu, we talk about it a lot. We show a lot of before and after pictures. Obviously, there's only a certain amount that your skin can improve. It's not completely resurface your skin or anything like that. I've just seen such amazing results personally and throughout the Soko Glam team, and people that are outside of the Soko Glam team that have been curious and wanted to test it with them as well. As you can tell, I've been blabbing on and off for maybe about 5 minutes about this line, and all of this information I think is very useful for you guys to make a decision. I know this is not a super low price item, so you want to do your research before you actually go in with this. So I encourage it, and I encourage you to ask questions down below. As you can see, we do really get influenced by what you guys share in the comment section on social, so I look forward to reading them. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!